Hey guys, Sound Gaming Trades again. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're on part 6 of the layout build. So today I'm just going to show you guys some ballasting, how I do it. What I really prefer doing is the very newbie way, because it's a less messy job. It does not ruin the track really. But it's like when you get the cork underneath, it's just really difficult, and I don't really like it. So yeah, I thought of I'm going to do it this way, like before, like with my first version of the layout. So here's how I do it. So just get a little bit of glue, and then just like spread it. Don't do it in like one big section, because otherwise, according to Hormy, the glue will dry out before you even put the ballast in. So do it in like small sections. Yeah. So yeah. So I'll be right with you guys in a minute whilst I finish this. Okay, so what I'm going to use here is a little sieve. Put a little bit of ballast in that and sprinkle it. Need a bit more than that. I'm just putting big chunks of it in. Not much of it's coming. Yeah, that's better. Much better. I'm so sad that I'm running out of ballast. I ain't got a lot of track areas to do now. It's just this section because I've already done that one over there. So yeah, I'm not sure if you can see, I do apologise for the really bad quality. Yeah, I'll put the camera there so I get some room to do this. Because I know I've got a comment saying that we're just staring at a blooming baseboard. So I thought that'd be ideal. So yeah. Now it's best to stop it like a couple of meters before the end of the glue, so you've got like room to do the other one. So yeah, and not forgetting tomorrow that the clocks go back. See how I get to do this a little bit later. So now it's Easter holidays. Well, tomorrow is Easter Sunday. So from tomorrow, wish you all a happy Easter. We do some fun stuff tomorrow. Get some Easter eggs and that. Oh, very sorry, Eurostar train there. Yeah, if you're wondering why I've got a Eurostar on there, I was just testing earlier. So yeah, as you can see, I've done the other track as well. I was just showing you one bit of track I was doing, because it's going to take a long process really. So yeah, anyways, so yeah, I'm kind of putting my hand in there because there's still like big chunks of ballast. Don't really like that. as again, leave a little bit of a space, and then just do more. Hopefully tomorrow on Monday, I might be able to lay the track on this, because PVA glue takes very long to dry, and yeah, doesn't work well. Well, we have the shed insulated anyway. Plus, the insulation on the wall was quite, well, on the roof was quite warm earlier. Still a little warm, but yeah, days are becoming warmer and lighter now. So yeah, well, obviously in spring now. So what's that? What do I keep saying? Yeah. So yeah, I don't know why I wait with that. Sorry guys, got a cold, hay fever more like. Yeah, it's always spring I get hay fevers. Yeah, right, I'll finish this part and I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, we're done. So yeah, that's the ballasting done for now. Now we might need to sort the edges out. They're really bad. So yeah, I'll get those sorted just in a moment. So yeah, I won't be doing much till next day. So I guess I'm in part 6 here for now guys. So thanks for watching this video guys, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.